This portion of Local Lifestyles is sponsored by Deja Skin and Health Center.
I'm at Deja Skin and Health Center with Nurse Julie Evans, and today we're going to talk about a filler called Volux.
Yes.
Am I saying it right, Volux?
Yes.
So it's Lux in that it works really well. So, is it a Juvederm product?
It is a Juvederm family. It's part of that product. So they have a bunch of different syringes that can be used all different areas of the face. This one is FDA approved to use in the jawline.
So when people come and say, is this right for me, what are they telling you? What's wrong? What's out of line?
Usually they come in and they talk about how everything just keeps falling south and they want to have everything picked back up. So it's something that we would offer for them of looking at their face and finding that, oh, they're losing some volume up here, so there's a filler that we can put up in the cheeks. But then we can also come back here and help to tack up and pull, which can kind of help a little bit of this pre-jowl area that's going on that a lot of people start getting as we age. So you can pull and tuck right through here, and then you can kind of do a little bit in front of that as well. Does
it also add volume if somebody wants more of a chin? Is that part of that treatment?
That would be one of the other family members to the chin. That would be more of the voluma. Could go to the chin area. But this is more kind of to give, if you're losing that jawline, you need a little more definition. So I like to put it as it defines the jawline.
I like the sound of that. Are there specials on this in February?
Yeah, so the month of February, you buy a syringe of Volux and you get one free, which is a huge savings.
That is a huge savings. No, so what's the best thing to do, Julie? Just come talk to you and find out what's work, because you do have a host of products to use.
Yes, so it is best to come in and have a free consultation. There are 4 registered nurses here that we would sit down and discuss your concerns and look over your medical history to make sure what's a right fit for you.
And if you use the Volux, is there any downtime with that?
You could have a little bit of swelling. You could have some bruising. A little makeup could cover up little bruising if you have it. But for the most part, it just looks better.
It's easier. And so you apply it just like you do other fillers?
Yep, we inject it in just like we do the other fillers.
Okay. Do you numb the face?
We do numb.
Okay. I know people want to ask you that all the time. How's it going to feel? So what is that impact like? What is it for the patient who's using it?
So we put the numbing on. You sit for a good 30 minutes with the numbing before we come in and do injections. Whenever we do the injections, you may still feel a little bit of a pinch. You may feel some pressure and a little burn whenever it's injected in because there is numbing inside the syringe. So as we start injecting, you are numbing from within as well. So that kind of helps with pain control as well.
Are you going to see the results immediately, or they get better over time?
Both.
Okay.
We can see changes and we can see the difference then. So a lot of times I like to show people half the side after I do half the face, kind of look and see the difference of what it makes. But then even a month down the road, it just continues to look better.
All right, so how do we get in touch with you to see if this is right for us?
Give us a call at 490-SKIN and we can get you set up for a free consultation.
Thank you, Julie. Volux, maybe it's right for you. We'll be back with more lifestyles. Stick around.
This portion of Local Lifestyles is sponsored by Deja Skin and Health Center.